Imagine the scene for a moment. A calm beach, families walking along the shore, the blue waters of the Gulf stretching quietly into the horizon, and suddenly the sound of a fighter jet screaming across the sky. Welcome to TimesXP's war coverage. It's me, Trithiyatri. This dramatic moment unfolded near Al Mamzar beach, that is in Dubai, where beachgoers reportedly witnessed an extraordinary mid-air chase. A fighter jet belonging to the UAE Air Force, it was scrambling to intercept the dangerous unmanned aircraft, believed to be an Iranian attack drone. Well, the aircraft in pursuit was a powerful F-16 fighting Falcon, one of the fastest and most agile fighter jet in the modern air combat. Its target in the sky was believed to be a Shahed-136, a type of drone often described by analysts as kamikaze drone. These drones are designed to fly long distances, and after that they explode when they reach their target. According to defense report, the drone was flying unusually low, just above the water, possibly attempting to avoid the radar detection. But the UAE's air defense network had already spotted the threat. Within minutes, the fighter jet appeared in the sky, closing in rapidly on the drone. Well, what followed looked like something straight out of a war movie. Ladies and gentlemen, the jet reportedly blocked onto the drone using an advanced air-to-air missile system believed to be the AIM-9X Sidewinder. Basically, a missile designed for close-range dogfights, and in seconds, the pilot fired. The bright flash cut across the sky, and just like that, the drone exploded mid-air, breaking apart before it could reach the ground. Well, the interception was part of a much larger defensive operation by the UAE. Officials say dozens of drones and missiles have been launched towards the country since the conflict in the region escalated. In the meantime, air defense system and fighter jets have been working around the clock just to intercept the threats and keep the civilians safe. According to the government figures, the UAE has already destroyed more than 100 drones and several ballistic missiles during the ongoing crisis. Only a small number have managed to fall inside the country though, and most were intercepted before they could even cause any damage. Despite these interceptions, tension in the region remain highly alert. Well, Iranian projectiles have reportedly targeted several locations including the Gulf, including their strategic energy facilities such as Ruwais oil refinery. That is one of the most important energy sites in the region. Well, the UAE government has now issued a clear message. The country will defend its airspace at any cost. Officials say that their armed forces remain fully prepared to respond to any threat that challenges the nation's security or sovereignty. And of course, in the end, the political battle around this war is also becoming just as intense as the military one. Leaders across the world are sending mixed signals here whether the conflict will end soon or not. Trump, though, has suggested that American objectives in Iran are close to being achieved, but he has also warned that military operations would continue until and unless he calls a complete victory.